Assalamu alaikum. Now today I'm gonna teach you here the IELTS vocabulary word middle-aged, right? You can see on the screen here right now, middle-aged and youthful appearance. Middle-aged mean approximately 45 to 65 years old, between, right? Approximately between 45 to 65 years old people, we can call them middle-aged person, right? And now I will give you an example over here, right? She is middle-aged but has a youthful appearance. She is middle-aged but has a youthful appearance, right? Are you getting what I'm saying? Here, youthful appearance means the person looking very young, not looking old, is called the youthful appearance. So here, just again listen, she is middle-aged but has a youthful appearance. Okay, just get it. Follow my lectures, subscribe my channel, like my videos and share it to others so that students can get their score band up, right, according to their wish. Okay, best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.